Ayan, may date ang magjowa. Dapat magkikita lang kami ni Jan kasi hinatid niya si Alitea dun sa other school. Sa Rosal School. Ayan o, Harry Potter daw. Parang Harry Potter daw yung... Is that the one? That school?
The whole school, Rosal.
Yan yung school na pupuntahan nila Alitea. Parang Harry Potter daw yung sa loob niyan. Na-invite yung school nila para pumunta dyan. Only grade 5. Year 5. Ayan o. Ganda yung school. Parang Harry Potter inside daw. Sabi ni sis. Ayan. Tapos sinatid ko naman si Alden doon sa school nila. Sinabay na ako ni Sis Lourdes. Thank you, Sis Lourdes. Naabutan ko pa sila dyan. Kanina pa kami naglalakad pala. Flowers. Kalmado ang dagat.
Imagine living there.
Imagine living in there. So what? Just to see the view.
Just to see the view.
Just to see
And
the
see
view.
the sunset.
And see the sunset. For sale, oh, Jan.
No, that one's sold. This one isn't. They're
Sold? But
350,000 or 400,000.
is that big?
They're quite big. They're normally 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms. Ayan. Pangit lang dito kay Facebook ngayon yung live. 30 days na lang, tapos dinidelete. Dinidelete na. Kailangan mo i-download. So, ginagawa ko. Dina-download ko. Tapos sinisave ko sa YouTube. Pero wala na siya sa Facebook.
Somewhere for you to sit because you're old.
Look at the view.
Sitting out at night drinking your cocktails. Enjoy the sunset.
Enjoy the sunset. Hi, Joanne Bobby. Shout out sa'yo dyan. Hello, ganda. Morning. Hapon na pala dyan sa inyo. Good afternoon. Dito, good morning pa lang. Ay. Nagdi-date ang mga peg. Feeling binata at dalaga.
There's another one for sale. One for you, one for me.
Good. We need to separate. There's a peace of mind.
Look at the vapor trail.
Privacy.
Look at the vapor trail.
What?
Vapor trails in the sky.
Yes. Where is it?
The
One for you, one for me. Oh, it's for sale. That one?
Yeah.
Ayan. It's renovated. Okay
There
na.
are three of them. Save pets, they keep pets, they budget for things,
Yeah.
they buy things for things like that.
Hmm. Oo. Maganda naman. Maganda kasi yung ano, pag malapit sa dagat, no. Nakaka-relax.
You can sit down with it.
Ayan.
Oh, but
Eh, dyan, man. Here.
do you want to go swim?
You want to go swimming? Move here.
I'm fine.
It's dirty there.
Why did you sit here?
Ayok maupo.
Oh my god. They're swimming.
Ganda. Oh. Kundi lang malamig, magsaswimming ako dyan eh. Malamig kasi. Yung pwede naman mag-go. Is the water warm or cold? Yung hangin kasi malamig. Yun ang nakakanginig laman. Ayun, may nagsiswimming oh.
For you, it's warm.
Ano dito? 9:41 a.m.
See, that girl is afraid to strip off and
Ako
go
na
for
dyan sa
swim.
inyo, no?
Wait,
Mga
that
pag 5
girl's-
na yata to 6.
That girl's not afraid to strip off and swim with somebody. So why should you be?
Kung hindi lang malamig ang hangin, magsiswimming ako dyan eh. Malamig lang kasi eh. Ang ganda oh.
Oh, yeah.
Malinaw ngayon yung tubig.
Get your little bikini out.
Ayan, pero siya nga, ano, syempre sanayan lang yan eh. Ang balat nila, ano eh, makapal na sa lamig. Yung sa akin kasi manipis pa. Mabilis pa akong lamigin.
Mind you, she looks a bit fatter than you. That may help keep her warm.
Yeah, ako kasi payat. Parang mataba lang ako sa video, pero payat talaga. Sa personal, payat. Kaya nagugulat sa akin yung iba eh. Ba't ang laki-laki mo sa sa mga pinopost kong video? At pag nakita sa personal, payatot. Ang liit.
I don't know why they're feeling shy. They should just strip off. Embrace nature.
Ayan. Kasi dito iba-iba yung nagpapalit-palit oras dito. Minsan 7 hours away yung agwat ng oras natin. Minsan naman 8 hours. Is that right, Jan?
What?
Philippines to UK.
Time difference. Yeah.
Time difference 7 hours to 8 hours. Ay,
7 hours.
sorry, nagpapanti pala si
At the
Lola.
moment it's 7 hours.
At the moment, 7 hours. May time na. Tapos, 9:30 na dito, may araw pa.
4:30 time for
Minsan
bed.
naman, 4 p.m. pa lang, gabi na.
Time for a beer.
Hirap ispellingin yung ano dito. Hindi. Weather. Be kind to our birds. Under the sea and over the sky. Buti ba sila nakapag-swimming na eh. Ang layo na nilakad namin. Na-invite kasi sila Teya dun sa other school. going to shop first?
No. No need.
Ay. Morning. Hi. Right. Sakit na naman. Yeah.
Means the area between high and low tide is owned by the Crown or the royal family.
Low water, this is. First, the Crown Estates. Cute. Big cafe.
We buy one of these houses and they're looking just water school.
Huh?
You buy one of those houses and you're looking water school.
The school where
Russell.
Rosa. Ang mahal kaya ng school na yun, guys. 1 million yun.
No, 2.
2 million? A year?
Yeah.
Oh, 2 million yung school na yun, yung pinuntahan namin, ay pupuntahan nila Aliteya ngayon. 2 million peso ang tuition fee. Mahal doon. Mas mahal. 2 million. My goodness. Babalik ko na lang sa Pilipinas yung mga anak ko. Let's go back na lang to the Philippines dyan. If because the placement fee of that school is 2 million. Yun yung Rosal. Are you sure 2 million?
The difference is you learn something.
Yun lang talaga. Super advanced yung dun. Mga turo. Ganda lang talaga yung matututunan nila. Ganun kamahal yung school dito, guys. Which one the most expensive school here?
In England, probably Marlborough.
Here, near us.
Oh, that one.
The Rosal.
That's the only one.
Oh, yan. Yung Rosal na yun. 2 million yung tuition fee. Kung saan na-invite sila Aliteya yung year 5. Huli, pero di kulong. Nagtapon ng basura sa basurahan.
Why did you jump in the ring?
Oh yeah.
Oh look, that dog's not afraid to swim. Off you go.
Off you go, Jan. Do it first. Then I'll
It's known
follow.
as skinny dipping. Have you not heard that expression? Skinny dipping. You fancy skinny dipping? Oh, my claim to fame is I swam naked in the Black Sea. No clothes in the Black Sea I went swimming.
Yeah. Is it closed?
Yeah,
Why?
too early.
Huh?
Too early.
Too early? Grabe too early, 10 na nga. Grabe no. Kaya sila magbukas dito, 10. Okay, sarado pa.
Won't get you fit yet.
I'm already fit.
Fit for what?
Fit everything. Perfect. Di lang pinagpala sa height. Pero ganun talaga. Nobody's perfect.
Hello.
Ah.
I'm perfect.
Of course not. Oh. High tide dito. Go. Ada. Ay, putting my phone.
Why not?
Huh?
Bathing season, off you go.
Do it first. I follow you. Ano kaya ito?
Just started to happen where
Yeah, wait,
whenever I
nah.
go to a club, I would.
Uy.
Enjoying the view.
I'm enjoying, that's why.
Why is that
A music with the sounds of
more? No,
ocean.
with the sea.
Di ko rin inaasahan pa.
Listen to the waves.
Go first. At kung ako... mali. Wait lang. Lagi kang laman ng isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang ang tinitibok, puso kong ito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinihintay kita ng kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot, kamay na kita mahal. Sarap mag-relax. Sit down dyan! There! Nais ko laging kapiling ka, ayoko nang muling nag-iisa. Nandyan ka na sa piling ko, kay siya. Kung ano ako'y tanggap mo na, hindi ka rin nag-alilangan pa. Ikaw at ako'y hanggang wakas ay tayo ng dalawa.
You know, I like it.
Kanta mo na.
Want to sort those lines and
Ganda
wrinkles,
na.
but not ready for those.
Dagat, kalmado. Kalmado like.
Sculpting technology penetrates 10 surface layers deep and boosts surface skin cell renewal. Drastic results without drastic measures. Firmer, smoother than jet skin in just 7 days. Try Olay.
Wait lang. Ganda. Hindi natin alam yung mga song. More practice. Ikaw ang iniisip-isip ko, hindi umahinto, tig ng puso. Hindi ko alam yung song. Dito tayo, sa back.
Global Karaoke TV.
Karaoke TV. Ito muna tayo. Kay Judy pala to. Dito muna tayo sa dagat. Yun na siya. Kapag ako ay nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa, iaalay buong buhay. Lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Kapal talaga mukha ko, no? Tumingin ka man sa iba, wawalang kibo na lang tong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko, iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka mang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Iniwan ako ni Jan. Ano man ang sabihin nila, tingin ko sa'yo'y di kailanman magmamaliw. Buong buhay pag-ilingkuran kita, di naghahangad ng anumang kapalit. Tumingin ka man sa iba, wawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko, ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka mang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka mang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba? Ayun na po. Mahal kita. Yeah, Kapal Mox. Kanta muna tayo. This is so relaxing. Ayun si Jan, nakaupo. Dito muna. Dito muna tayo.
Do you know how I know this?
Ay, Jan!
Mind your
Tayo. Para walang tao. Ako lang nakakarinig. Bakit ka walang kibong? Nagdurugo ba ang puso? sino siya at bakit ba sinaktan ka? Gayong laging tapat ka sa kanya. Dati-rati may ngiti, nakita ko sa iyong labi. Ba't ngayon nababalot na ng sakit? At tila ba ayaw mong umimik? Bakit di makita? Bakit di madama ang pag-ibig kong inaalay? Tanging sa'yo sinta, di ko sinasabing ako'y naiiba. Basta't ang pag-ibig ko ay di katulad ng pag-ibig niya. Lalaki. Tingnan nga natin.
Caudalie presents the Vino Perfect Serum. It brightens and reduces dark spot coloration by 63%. Vino Perfect.
Bye.
Dark spot serum prescribed by dermatologists.
Relaxing. Ayun si Jan. Halos lahat ay nagtatanong doon sa aming bayan, sa gitnang kanluran na aking pinagmulan. Sila'y nalilito, ba't daw ako nagkaganito? Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam. Magulang ko'y ginawa na ang lahat ng paraan upang mahiwalay sa aking natutunan. Subalit iniwan ko ang ibinigay na karangyaan. Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam. Musika ang buhay na aking tinataglay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay. Kaya ngayon ako'y narito pang ipaalam na di ako nagkamali sa aking daan. Gantimpala'y di ko hangad na makamtan, kundi ang malamang tama ang aking ginawa. Musika ang buhay na aking tinataglay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako'y naglalakbay. Musika ang buhay na aking tinataglay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay.
Go, go, go. How long have I got?
Yes, enjoy the view. The water is coming on. It's coming. Kailangan pa bang ako ay tanungin? Kailangan pa bang sa'yo ay bigkasin? Ang lalaki. na mahal kita. Ayun, baka matrap tayo dito. Akyat na tayo. Late in the evening, he's wondering what clothes to wear. Puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I see yes, you look wonderful tonight. Go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I see yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful 'cause I see the love light in your eyes. Then the wonder of it all, that you just don't realize how much I love you. Time to go home now. I've got an aching head, so I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Last one. I'm hungry. Last one. Okay. Sunshine in control, lady with a plan. Living that life is a neat little package I hold in my hand. got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still I fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love, a kid of a school, fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. I should stare, tremble like a child, but wanting to look all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me, can wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be, I'm just another woman in love, a kid of school, fire of control, just another fool. Touch me and I'm weak, I will feel the land. Kaya natin itong labis na nasaktan. Last na.
Throw me a kiss.
Hinting kumapata, nang di alam ang luha. Ayaw kong ganito, mahal din mo, nahihirapan ang puso. Sinundan ka ng kusa at nagmamakaawa. Tinalikuran mo ako ng papalayong sumisigaw ang puso. Labis na nasaktan ako sa mga alaala. Kahit nahabulin ka, kahit papilitin ka, wala na ba akong pag-asa pa? Hindi mo ang tibok ng puso, sa'yo'y nangungulila. Paano na ako? Hindi ko masyadong kabisado. Tara na nga, gutom na ako. I'm hungry. Yan, nakapag-relax lang. That's all. Kawawa na yung sound. Tom Jones na yan. Bye for now.
Still alive.
I'm still alive.
Right, you can go to Home Barkins, I suggest. If you go to Home Barkins and then
Is the New Yorker closed also until
probably, yeah. Probably like,
all day?
no, until 11 probably. Because
Because of you.
weekends they're open. But during the week everyone should be at school or at work. So that's why they're not open.
Ice cream today.
No, if you go to Home Barkins, yeah, because you want to go there or not.
Yes, I need to
Then-
shopping.
I want to get some fruit and bread. We'll have pasta tonight, so you don't need. You don't need fish, and you don't need meat. Hold on. Wait. We'll come back. Oh, probably we won't. Go back there. Oh. Do you have a preference for where you eat?
I don't know.
What?
I'm hungry.
There's a shopping cart.
Yeah, so I'll come round on Sunday,
Yeah.
probably about 6 o'clock.
Yeah, okay.
Is that all right? Yeah.
I don't have coins. You have coins?
No, I came right from town. Don't sit home and eat. Because I need to check.
Don't have coins.
So you're your shopping list?
I don't need shopping because I know what I
Oh, you
want.
don't need anything.